What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to guide you on how to dissolve an LLC in North Carolina. Dissolving a limited liability company in North Carolina is a multi-step process that must be completed properly to ensure the business is terminated in compliance with the state law. Here are the steps. Vote to dissolve the LLC. All members of the LLC must vote to dissolve the company. This is typically outlined in the LLC's operating agreement. File articles of dissolution. After the members vote to dissolve the LLC must file articles of dissolution with the North Carolina Secretary of State. This document formally notifies the state that the LLC is being dissolved. The article of dissolution should include the LLC's name, date of formation, and the reason for dissolution. Notify creditors. The LLC must notify all known creditors that it is dissolving. This gives creditors the opportunity to make any final claims against the LLC before it is terminated. Settle debts and liabilities. The LLC must pay off all outstanding debts, taxes, and other liabilities. This may involve selling assets to generate funds to pay creditors. Any remaining assets must be distributed to the members according to their ownership interests. File final tax returns. The LLC must file its final federal and state tax returns and pay any owed taxes. This ensures the LLC is compliant before it is officially dissolved. Withdraw registrations. The LLC must cancel any business licenses, permits, or assumed business names it had registered in North Carolina or other states. Distribute remaining assets. After all debts and liabilities are settled, the LLC can distribute any remaining assets to its members. The operating agreement or state law will dictate how the assets are to be divided. File for reinstatement. If an LLC has been administratively dissolved by the state for failing to file annual reports, it can file an application for reinstatement to get its active status back. This requires a $100 filing fee. Dissolving an LLC in North Carolina is an important process that must be handled correctly to ensure the business is terminated properly. By following the required steps, business owners can wind down their LLC in compliance with the state law. Taking the time to complete each dissolution step thoroughly will help avoid any legal or financial complications during the winding down process. With careful attention to detail, LLC members can successfully dissolve their North Carolina business. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.